Priyanka, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a serum, and I posted this on Instagram when I got it, and a lot of you guys wanted to see the review. So this is Deva's 20% vitamin C plus E plus ferulic acid serum. So I've tried this out for about 3 to 4 weeks continuously at a stretch so that I can talk to you guys about it and all the details about why we should include a serum in our skincare or other benefits and all those details. And before we get started, of course, if you do like the video and find it useful, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can find more such videos. So it's not a sponsored video, but I did receive this in PR. So Deva has a lot of different serums. This one particularly is something that I wanted to try because it has both vitamin C and vitamin E. I have tried vitamin C serums before, so I will be able to give you guys a comparison as well. So first, let's talk about vitamin C and vitamin E. So as we all know, vitamin C and vitamin E are antioxidants. Vitamin C is very well known for its effects of brightening your skin, lighting any hyperpigmentation and getting rid of any texture on skin, smoothing out the skin and giving us an even surface and even skin tone. A lot of us have uneven skin tone and marks, blemishes and even hyperpigmentation. It is also supposed to help with anti-aging, fine lines and wrinkles. It is also known to reverse the sun damage process. And similarly, even vitamin E is an antioxidant, and similarly it has several benefits as we all know, and it helps with smoothing and hydration of skin and evening skin tone and even some brightening effects. So both of these are very beneficial for our skin, no doubt. And this one even has ferulic acid. Ferulic acid is also an antioxidant, and it also helps stabilize these vitamin E and vitamin C serums. So that's probably why this ingredient is present along with its own benefits as well. That's an overall picture. And now coming to what are antioxidants are. So our skin basically is exposed to a lot of pollution and sun damage. Free radicals includes all of these things. Let it be pollution, let it be sun damage, that is the unwanted sun rays that actually damage our skin and in turn actually quicken the process of our aging. That means premature aging of skin. The dark spots that we see and even lines and hyperpigmentation on several other skin problems, all of these are caused by free radicals. So antioxidants basically minimize this whole effect. They neutralize these free radicals. So it just claims that it is super antioxidant and neutralizes free radicals, brightens and even skin tone. So that is the claim of the serum, and it has all the ingredients listed here. And it is cruelty free and vegetarian. So here it just says the details of the website, and then it says made in USA. Actually it came with a carton sort of a box, which I think I threw it away, but I'll insert a picture here. So you can get it from their website or it's available on Amazon as well. And it also mentions here that you should refrigerate the product, and I have been putting it in the refrigerator and getting it out only to apply it. So in the instructions on their website and even on the carton, it says to apply twice a day. And while I was trying it for these 3 or 4 weeks, I did apply twice a day, morning and evening at times, and sometimes when I thought my skin was getting too oily, I did not apply it both day and night. I applied it only once in the day. I think that depends on your skin type and your personal choice. I do usually prefer applying these serums in the night before you sleep, so that it gives it enough time to absorb. Now, moving on to the try on part, I'll just show you guys clips of me trying it on. These are a little bit raw. When I was just leaving home or when I came back home from work is when I tried it on. And for the purpose of the video, I did try to use it in the morning in the daylight. And even right now I'm not wearing any makeup on my face. I'm just wearing a lipstick, so that you have a good understanding. So around the time that I tried the serum, I had a bad fever and I had like terrible fever, cough and all that. So my skin was looking extremely dull and it was looking lifeless. So I thought this was the best time to see how well these sort of serums work. So now I'll just include the clips. So I'm actually directly gonna put it on my face. So it synced right into my skin. It is already absorbed. Like I have used another vitamin C serum and it does take a couple of seconds to absorb. This already absorbed. Here I'm gonna add a little bit more, and also I have like some marks here. I want to see if they change or get lightened. Yeah, as you can see, it is already absorbed. That's the best part about the serum so far. But how it works on other things you'll have to see, especially like the pigmentation that I have here and some spots and everything, and if it brightens my face. So I applied the serum and then I applied moisturizer and I stepped out. So while getting ready and all, it was a little sultry. It was completely absorbed and it's not greasy, as you can see. And yeah, you can also see all the marks on my face, so we can see by the end of 2-3 weeks how much of a change we can see. You can see some marks here and on my nose and all that. Let's see. By the end of 3-4 days after I started using this, my skin felt super nourished. In the beginning it was dry, and just within the use of 2-3 days it started feeling all moisturized. So as you know, serums are supposed to be really good with hydration, so that part of it has worked. I started seeing some acne over here. I'll insert pictures. So I stopped using it on my face and I'm continuing using it just on my forehead. So we'll see how it goes. It probably is not because of the serum, but obviously I did not want to take the risk. I'm not sure if this is like an 8 spot or what spot this is, but I have something here coming up. I'm going to apply a little bit here, and that way we can see if the mark is going to reduce. I also have like one spot here. I'll try to insert a picture. By the end of the review we can also see if that spot is going to go away. So I've applied it on my forehead, over here, and this side of my neck, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the next couple of weeks, and we can see what the progress is. I'll insert a picture of what exactly happened with the acne. I'm not sure if it's because of an ingredient which did not work for me from this, or if it's a general thing. So that was me trying it out for 3 weeks straight. Sometime in the second week, I did have a pimple on my nose. I was confused if the pimple was because of the serum. So I stopped using it on the rest of my face and I was using it only on my forehead for a couple of days. And then once the pimple subsided, I started using on my entire face again. So in the week 3 of the video, you can actually see that my skin has become really bright and all the dullness and dead looking skin is gone. So I think you can clearly see the difference in the week 3. So by the end of week 3, my skin started glowing and it was back to normal, and in fact added a lot of glow, and even the skin was even toned. This is supposed to be suitable for all skin types, let it be oily, dry skin, and even pimple prone skin. I have seen a video by someone who used it on their pimple prone skin, and even vitamin C is supposed to help with pimples as well. It is recommended. I'll try to leave that video in the description box so that if you have pimple prone skin, you'll have a fair idea as to whether you can go ahead and use it or not. But according to the instructions on their website, they claim that it is meant for all skin types, and in general vitamin C is supposed to help you get rid of pimples and reduce all those marks and all that. But the last update, as I mentioned in the video, I had a spot which was coming up here, and now I think it has reduced to a very good extent. I'll just remove this part. I had some spots which were here which are completely gone now. It almost subsided, like the whole thing reduced. So I think it will work great on any of those spots and even hyperpigmentation, but I think it will take some time. This one I think subsided in about 4-5 weeks, like almost reduced in about 4-5 weeks. And I do have some spots here and even here, like some little bit of darkness. Those haven't reduced completely. I do see a slight difference. I just put on my earring back so that I don't look weird. So the spots here haven't reduced completely. I do see a little bit of difference, but I don't see them gone completely. So I guess hyperpigmentation or any of those spots varies from skin to skin, and also they might take time. And in general also I think hyperpigmentation takes quite some time. If you have any spots or hyperpigmentation around your mouth or anywhere else, I think this serum would be great. And also if you have like dehydrated skin and dull skin or uneven skin tone, also this serum is going to help you guys. But of course, if you have extremely pimple prone skin and if you have a lot of acne, I would definitely suggest you to see a dermatologist before you go ahead and use any random product. So I guess that gives you guys an overall picture of how this particular serum worked out for me. So you can purchase this from Amazon or their website, but if you're going to purchase it from their website, I have a discount code. This is not an affiliate code, this is just a discount code. You can avail a discount, but I'm not going to get anything out of this. I'll put the discount code here. So that was about the serum. I do think it is a little expensive. So if you get it from the website, I think it'll cost you around $17.50 or so, which is definitely expensive compared to an average serum. But it is comparatively low when you see Estee Lauder or any of those bigger brands. But in general, I think it is a little expensive. Something under 1,000 would be affordable. But however, I think considering the effect of the serum, well, that is the price. So overall, it definitely worked great for me and I will continue using it, probably not on a daily basis, but every now and then, or probably a couple of days in a week. And in general, that's how I like to go about it when it comes to any of my skincare products. I try to leave my skin free of any products, at least a couple of days in a week. So make sure that you use a sunscreen if you're using the serum in the daytime, so that it doesn't reverse the effect of the serum. And also, it will be a double protection against all the sun damage that we see. Hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to try out any other products like this. Really love to go ahead and try them. And before you go, make sure you're subscribed so that you get all the updates and notifications. I upload 2 videos a week, Monday and Thursday, and I also have a Telugu channel, so do check it out if you understand and speak Telugu. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll leave my Instagram handle here. You can find me there as well and we can stay connected that way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.